3 ways to delete unwanted blank page in Word. So if you want to delete the unwanted blank page in your Word, then there are 3 ways to delete it. First, you need to open up your Word. So here I have the pages, like I have 4 pages, right? So if you want to delete a page, so for example, if I want to delete this page, then what you can do is simply go for the upper side of that page, go for the first line and simply hit the backspace. And once you hit the backspace here, you can see that I have removed 2 pages. So if you simply choose the backspace, then it will remove a page from your Word. That's the first process. And the second process is, so if you have any page breaks, so for example, if I have this single page, right? So under your single page, if you have any page break, then there you will have an unwanted blank page, right? So if you want to delete that unwanted blank page, then you need to simply go for that particular page break and click on the page break and then click on backspace or press delete. Then your blank page will be deleted. And the third way to delete is go for the view, which is on the upper side. Click on view and go for the navigation. And here you may have pages option under right here. For now, I have only a single page. So if you add a page, so once you have 2 or 3 pages, here under your navigation, you may have pages option. So you can also search for pages. So here, instead of this find option, you may have pages option. Simply choose the pages, and once you click on the pages, here you will have all of the pages, and you need to simply click on the page and then click on delete, or you can press backspace and your page will be deleted. Your particular page that you have chosen will be deleted. So that's it. These were the 3 ways to delete your unwanted blank page. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.